Hi guys, Kelly here again, and third time is the charm trying to make this video. Oh my gosh. First started outside, and then the wind was, it wasn't even that windy, but the microphone picked up the wind like a lot. So finished the video because I didn't even notice the wind, and then put it into the computer and I watch it back, before I upload it on YouTube, so then, I know it's okay. And then all I could hear was the wind. I was like, oh. So I went upstairs, did it in my bedroom because in here was a bit too dark, or I looked washed out, when the sun was shining right in. And then it was the same thing up there, but it looked okay in the viewfinder, so I made the video, came down, uploaded it onto the computer, started watching it, and I'm like, can't really see the colours of anything that I'm showing you. So, now, third time's the charm. The sun is kind of gone a bit over the house, so I'm hoping that this is going to look okay. I mean, it looks okay through here, but so did the last video. So, let's hope that it's okay. I have not really worked on a lot since the video yesterday, so I am going to show you what I've done though, because it's something to show you. So I was working on the second one of these Ribena berry socks, and I think yesterday I was on like the second or the third row or round. So now I'm up to there. I've done 2, 4, 5, 6, 10. There's 11 rounds altogether. So not bad, not bad. I had to stop last night. It was far too hot. Far too hot. And do any of you do this as well? Like, when you're just too hot, like, you'll put, because then the yarn starts sticking, so you're not really sweaty, but you're tacky. So, I'll put, like, baby powder, like Johnson's baby powder, as the baby powder all over my hands. And then the needle just glides, and the yarn just glides. It's that kind of weather. It went up to 31 yesterday. Today it's meant to go up to 33. Don't know what that is in the other way, but I think it's like high 70s. I'm not sure. So as well, I started working, right? You would be so proud of me. I started working on one of my projects, the t-shirt that I just had to sew up the sides with, do the border in a very short arm bit. So I thought, yeah, I'm going to be dead good. I was on a video call, the boys were playing out, I was sat at the door. I thought, yeah, while I'm here, I'm going to sew the back and front pieces together, and I was dead good. I sewn it up, yeah. And then, well, I didn't do the shoulders, I did one shoulder. So yeah, I'd sewn it up, and all the pieces that I'd just sewn up at that point, I sewn the ends in. I did. Sewed them in. Never do that one again. Because I bungled the whole thing up, didn't I? I was just there, distracted here, distracted there, just not watching what I was doing. Not watching what I was doing, so I'd not left any armholes. Can you believe it? And because I've sewn it all in, I don't know where to cut. So I can figure it out. I was trying to figure it out yesterday, but then my head was just killing me. So then I've got, like, the shoulder bits, but I don't have the side bit. With it being kind of, I don't know, the different colours in the yarn makes my eyes go fuzzy, and it started giving me a headache, so I just left it. So I need to do this today. I feel like if I don't do this today, then I'm not going to do it. I might as well just bin it, because it would stress me out. It would just be one of them things that just stay in the background. You keep meaning to do, but you never do, and it's always going to be a weight on your mind, like a project weight. Yeah. Don't want it to turn into that, so even if I can just unpick one of the sides, that is progress. But then my new yarn came today. So now I kind of just want to start 2 new projects, which I am going to do. I'm going to start them both today, because that is going to take me to my happy place. My happy place at the moment is working on hexagon jackets, whether it's the Fill Day jacket, whether it's that Christmas in June jacket that I made. And I need to find another name for that, because I only called that particular one Christmas in June because it was made using yarn that I got given as a Christmas present, and I made it in June. So I can't call every one of them that. But I do want to make another couple because that one was in variegated and you couldn't see the stitches, it just looked plain, like, you know, it looked like there was no pattern into it or whatever. So, and that was fine for me, I was just trialling that new pattern. And it's just for me anyway, I know the stitch differences there. But when I work on some for the shop, I want the customer to know, to see the stitch definition. So, yeah, I'll get into the yarn. Hi Rascal, you're not climbing up, I'm wearing white. Sorry baby, not happening. I'm wearing white pants. So this cat has just been outside me, he's not climbing up on me. No, you can go to one of the boys today. I love ya, but not happening. Right, so I got, these are Signet DK 100g balls and they are 100% acrylic. There's 298 metres in each ball. And I got these from a friend of mine, Kimberly. She does have a Facebook group, so I'm going to put her details on that Facebook group. You should go check it out, it's really awesome. And she does raffles and everything, you know, for wool. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, you should go on there. So these ones I didn't win for a raffle, these ones I actually bought from her. So yeah, I got 6 of these in sienna, the colour sienna. And then I got 6 in this denim colourway, they're all the same wool. And then I got 3 in rust. I love it. So these 2 I'm going to start that jacket with. I'm going to make one in each colour. And then maybe whatever's left out of all of them, I'll do a chill day with all 3 of those. How nice would that be? It'd be like different for the things that I make, but I still think it'd kind of be rocking, you know? I likes it. I likes the idea. But I do want to make a really long cardigan out of this colour. Like the length will go halfway down your shins, like that kind of length. I think that would be so cool in this colour. It'll go with almost anything. It'll go with green, brown, beige, white, black, maybe, you know. Yeah, you get the drift. It'll go with everything in my wardrobe basically. Because I don't have a really out there wardrobe. I am starting to get a bit better wearing lighter and brighter, but yeah, this is like the only white outfit I've got. Well, I've got white dress with pink flowers, but I don't have much in the way of like these summer kind of shades. I need a new wardrobe, but first I need new sofas and a new carpet, because I'll have to wait.
Guys, also check out my channel.
Jamal does have a channel, it's just called Jamal Cassim. Yeah, and he's going to put some stuff up on there. You're going to make proper videos, aren't you? Because the lives, Google and YouTube keeps cancelling his lives. So, yeah, that is the plan for these. So, I'm dead excited. I'm going to start these 2 today. Hopefully I'll get that t-shirt unpicked today. And I want to finish the cuff on the socks today. I did want to finish the whole sock and get the pattern up by tomorrow. But now these are here, I don't think that's going to happen. So maybe Monday I'll do the socks, get the sock pattern up. Yeah, I'll change that to Monday. Because today as well, I just want to, it's hot, it's a really hot day. It's the last day of the heat wave. Tomorrow we're supposed to have thunderstorms, and for the next 8 days we're supposed to have rain. Now Jamal's really happy about that. Yesterday he spent most of the afternoon crying because it was too hot. He's like proper really weak crying, like, I'm too hot, I can't even bother crying. Yeah, he hates the heat, he always has done. But he burns up really easy though. Even as a baby, he would take the covers off himself in the dead of winter. Like in winter, he would get home from school, even now, he would strip off to his undies and just sit there in his undies and then complain when I put the heating on.
Hey Mum, don't talk about my private spaces.
I'm not talking about your private spaces, darling. I'm talking about your dressing habits. Okay?
Cool.
He does get hot really, really easily. In this weather, I do feel bad for him. Usman's just like me. He's kind of not bothered. It's either hot or it's not you, just today accordingly. So, yeah, I'm going to go start these. I'm going to put them away. And watch this cat. This cat's asleep around, well, not asleep, but he's chilling out around the legs of the camera tripod.
Give Mum loads of likes and subscribes, please.
Yeah, give me lots of likes and subscribes, please. Thanks, babes. I've got the best cheerleader in the world, don't I? So yeah, that is gonna be it for me. What did I do with this?
Oh,
Here it is. Yeah, so I think this is gonna be the last video from me this week, unless I just decide to do an impromptu live like I did. I'm no good at planning lives. I have to, if I'm in the mood for it, if I'm feeling it, then I'll just do it. So yeah, Jan kind of tells me off for doing things like that. It's like, how's anyone gonna come on if you don't tell them? I'm like, I know. But I'm kind of like that. I just, if I feel like doing something at the time of doing it, then I'll do it if I'm able to. If I'm not, then I don't. I love plans, I love lists. I plan everything. But things like that make me nervous. I just have to, if I'm in the mood to do it, I need to strike right in the spot. Otherwise I'll talk myself out of it. So I'm glad I didn't this week. I've had fun making loads of videos this week. I even did the vlog for my family channel. So if you want to check that out, the link will be in the description down below. Yeah. Right, I'm definitely going. I'm going now, even if this video looks rubbish when I put it on the computer. I am over filming now. This is the third one today. I am done. I'm going to sweep and mop my floors. But I need to do that before I start any crochet work, otherwise I'm not going to do it. I'm really not. Alright then, have a great day, great week, great weekend, great morning, great afternoon, great night, no matter what time you're watching. What do you want to say, Jamal?
Get this new game, Minecraft. We love it. We also have it!
Alright, bye guys, happy crafting.